Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to extract zip files in cPanels. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to extract the files in cPanel. Extract the files in cPanel. cPanel is the most popular Linux hosting control panel. The files uploaded in the cPanel can be compressed and uncompressed using File Manager. The file compressed in zip archive format can be uncompressed easily by extracting it in the specific folder. To extract the file in cPanel, follow the below steps. Step 1. Log into cPanel. After you log into cPanel, then step 2 is to select the option File Manager under the section Files. Step 3. Select the needed zip file to be extracted and click the option Extract. Step 4. Enter the directory path where the files should be extracted and then click the Extract file. Step 5. The ongoing process of extraction will be displayed. Step 6. Once the extraction is completed, the results will be displayed. Then click the option Close. So, as you can see, guys, here is the steps with picture. So, firstly, you click on File Manager right here. After that, you go to the needed zip file and then just click on Extract right here in the top. Then, as you can see, guys, right here, you need to choose where you want to extract it and click on Extract File. And then it's going to be appearing right like this, extracting archive. And then you're going to find right here the extraction results and click on Close to close this table. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.